for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie?
Oh. Wow.
Hello. I see you're at your desk already. Shall we create some art?
Yeah.
How wonderful to see everyone today.
It really is, Betty.
Ooh.
Artie, why don't you go and get your art materials? There he goes.
I'm ready to watch. I'm ready to play. What's he going to create today?
Well, Mikey, today we're going to create a drawing of some cocoa.
Yeah. Okay.
Start with a vertical line going down to the bottom of the paper with a hook on the end. Very good, Artie. Now do the same on the other side of the paper, but with the hook pointing the opposite direction. Two hooks having a chat.
Yeah.
Now, connect them together at the bottom. Now we have a U shape. Now let's connect them together at the top, but don't go straight across. Curve down, then go straight across, then curve up. That's perfect, Artie. Now copy that shape, exactly the same, but just below. Really good start.
Man, you really are working hard down there, Artie.
Okay, now let's draw another one of our hook shapes coming from the left side. And then another one from the right side and join them together. Can you see, little artists? That's the saucer.
Yeah.
And a curve underneath gives us the bottom part of the saucer.
Wait.
Dance break? Okay, go on then.
Wait. Yeah.
Those moves, it's deserving of nothing but a 10. Great job, Artie. You've got some cool moves. Shall we carry on with the drawing?
Okay. Wait.
All right, now we need to draw the handle for the cup. So draw a back to front C. Very good. And now draw a bigger back to front C around the smaller C. Excellent job, Artie. You're doing great.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
It sure is, Betty. Now let's draw the marshmallows, because every good cup of cocoa or hot chocolate should have marshmallows. Draw little squares, but the squares have curved sides. You can start your curved squares with an oval at the top. Now let's connect the back of the cup with a curved line, but don't draw over the marshmallows. I can see 3 happy marshmallows floating in the hot chocolate. It's time for some eyes. Draw an oval with a smaller black oval in the middle. Perfect. Now let's do the other eye. Touch them together and then a little black circle. Perfect. Some eyebrows. I think your cup of cocoa needs a mouth, Artie. A nice smiley mouth. And how about a tongue? Because he loves the taste of his own hot chocolate. It's really looking good, Artie. Don't you think so, little artists? Now let's decorate the cup. Draw a curved line towards the bottom of the cup, and that's part of the decoration. Now, how can we show that it's hot cocoa? That's right. Let's show some steam coming off the drink with wiggly lines.
Give it a splash of color, Artie.
Yes, let's colour in, Artie. Are you finished, Artie? Finished! I really love the way you made the little marshmallows so happy to be floating in the chocolate. What a great job, Artie.
Come on, Betty, let's say goodbye. You gotta wash your brush. It takes time to dry.
Now I really need a hot chocolate drink, don't you, little artist? Anyway, time to say goodbye. Have an Artie day.